Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Starting your investment journey in India can feel a bit overwhelming, especially when it comes to picking the right stockbroker. Don't worry, we're here to help make that choice simple for you. This video will guide you through what to look for and then recommend some top options tailored specifically for new investors. Let's find the perfect partner for your financial future, making your first steps into the market smooth and confident. When you're new to investing, certain features become super important. First, look for a broker with a really simple and intuitive mobile app so you can trade easily and without confusion. Low brokerage fees are also key because high costs can quickly eat into your profits, especially with smaller trades. Finally, good customer support and helpful educational resources can make a huge difference, helping you learn and grow along the way. One of the most popular choices for beginners, and for very good reason, is Zerodha. They offer a fantastic, user-friendly platform called Kite, which makes trading straightforward, even for first-timers. Their brokerage fees are extremely competitive, with zero brokerage on equity delivery investments, saving you money. Plus, their educational platform, Varsity, is an excellent resource for anyone wanting to deepen their understanding of the markets. It's a solid, reliable option to start your investing journey. Now, two other excellent choices for beginners are Upstocks and Growa. Upstocks also provides a very intuitive trading platform, much like Zerodha, with competitive pricing, making it accessible for everyone. Growa, on the other hand, is especially popular for its incredibly simple interface, perfect if you're looking to invest in mutual funds and stocks with minimal fuss. Both offer a smooth onboarding process and are widely trusted, giving you more great options to consider for your initial steps. Choosing the right broker is a big step towards a successful and confident investing journey. Remember, always focus on ease of use, low costs, and good support when making your final decision. All the brokers we've discussed today are well suited for beginners in India, offering a strong foundation for you. Take your time, explore their platforms, and pick the one that feels most comfortable and aligns with your needs. You've got this, and we're excited for your financial future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.